Rebounding the ball, pass to Herbert. Now it's in Torres. Torres pass to Larry. Larry shot the basket. 3. Pass to jersey number 37. Pass to jersey number 3. Force the 3. Bang. Wala rebound din. Jersey number 37 Torres. Jersey ball Torres. Torres pass to. Hop. Jersey number 10 to Torres. Torres diretso. 10 seconds, shot clock off. 5. Basket. Diaz about the net. Diaz takes down moving back. Another rebound to Larry. Larry pass. Pass to Hermosa. Pass to Diaz. Hermosa pass to Diaz. 10 seconds to shoot. Diaz. Pass to Diaz. Pull up jumper. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng Torres. Manigpin. Pass to Lucky. Back to Manigpin. Shot clock 15 seconds. No good. Shot clock 10 seconds. Torres naman ang susubok. Torres. 3 points. Deadlock home. 30. Altar. In favor of Tulapi Basketball Club. Altar. Sa pagkapal, sa glass na bot, Buruan. Pass is still by Nulete. Pass to Briones. There's a point. Briones. Pass to Torres. Torres turns it up. And an easy basket. Rupa Mendoza. Pass to Torres. There's a 3-3. Torres brings it back. Pass to the ring. In the rise up. Alta, tumila ng 3 points na lang. Rupa Mendoza. Torres. Pass it to Briones. Briones tumila ng 3. Basket is good. And at first 3 points. Diaz. Diaz, pass to Altar. Altar drive. Altar edits.